Все, ребята, вы за границей нахуй. Никакого дерьма, ебать. Так что, если желающие...
Russian military bloggers are freaking out. They say there's a significant buildup of Ukrainian forces on the border with Belgorod region, which is just south of the ongoing Kursk offensive. Belgorod is only 35 kilometers from the Ukrainian border, with a population of 419,000. Firefights and shelling have reached Elgov, which is just 14 miles east from the Kursk nuclear power plant on the E38 highway. Russians are fleeing Elgov, population 17,500. Ukrainian armed forces are now just 30 miles from the Kursk nuclear power plant. 1 hour drive on the road, but there is one speed camera on the E38 highway. Russian fascists store missiles, drones, and other munitions at this nuclear power plant, given its proximity to Ukraine. More Russians surrendered to the Ukrainian armed forces in Sudzha. Russian soldiers who surrendered at the Sudzha border checkpoint have been taken back to Ukraine, where Russian aircraft won't be able to carpet bomb them. Yesterday, there was suspicion that a Russian attack helicopter mistook a Russian column for Ukrainians and destroyed it. There's no better ally than an idiot enemy. A Russian TV channel presenter literally showed live the exact location of the movement of Russian convoys of equipment and personnel into the Kursk region. Now, all we have to do is wait.
Прямо сейчас из Курска на наши позиции идет очередная партия военной техники. Сейчас вижу и самоходные артиллерийские установки, и бронемашины. Все для того, чтобы укрепить позиции наших бойцов, которые прямо сейчас выбивают из Курской области формирование ВСУ.
We must look at the situation soberly. It won't be possible to chase them away quickly. Russian parliament suggested that people should not expect a prompt victory over Ukrainian army in Kursk region. According to the member of parliament, General Andrei Gurulev, the Ukrainian army has involved significant means and forces for this offensive, and that must be taken into account. Ukrainian soldiers demonstrate their border crossing into the Kursk region of Russia. The footage shows a destroyed American M132 ESV engineering vehicle based on the Stryker armored personnel carrier, along with Dragon's Teeth defensive fortifications. Additionally, the Ukrainian armed forces are seen crossing these fortifications. Former Kursk region Governor Roman Starovoyt reported in 2022 that 2 reinforced defense lines had been constructed in the region.
Кто говорит, что нельзя за границу выезжать? Пацаны, нахуй, все вперед в армию, нахуй, за границу выпускают. Вон, правда, 2 зайца проезжали, ну, не проехало немножко, нахуй. А так вообще все нормально.
Ніяких тобі прикордонників.
Вот она, видишь, вот она. Не прикордонники, шуф, в небо, в этот и все. Все. Ребята, вы за границей нахуй. Никакого дерьма, ебать. Так что, если желающие, вперед!
Ні хабарів не просять.
Ни хабарим не просят, да, ничего. Все пацаны все счастливые, ну.
Chair of Bundestag Defense Committee Markus Faber said, "I don't see a problem if the Ukrainian armed forces use Leopard 2 to advance into Russian territory." Ukrainian GMLRS ATAK-EMS cluster munitions strikes on a Russian military base in occupied Zaporizhia region. In Russia, chess player Amina Abakarova poisoned her rival Umaiganat Osmanova with mercury at a chess tournament in occupied Dagestan. Putin immediately fell in love with Abakarova. Moscow government has obligated businesses to connect their surveillance cameras to the government system. The businesses also have to pay for the installation, around $1,000 to $1,500. Reason given: special military operation and rise in crime. Ukrainian forces successfully shot down 9 Russian reconnaissance drones using FPV drones from the 38th Marine Brigade. And for the end, this is just terrible. A passenger plane with 62 people on board has crashed near Venedo in the state of São Paulo, Brazil.
Tá porra! Caralho, bicho! Nó! Fudeu!
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.